Thank you. I'm pleased to be here to moderate this panel. I wanted to just have some introductory remarks and then let the panelists actually present their maps of how they see the future of public media proceeding. I'd like to start off by saying I'd like to expand the definition of public media and sort of call it public interest media, meaning that it could include some commercial ventures as well that actually serve the public interest. I think for the purpose of this conversation, it would be good to expand that definition. I would characterize myself as being old school in terms of media because I've spent most of my career, 20 years before coming to the Ford Foundation, in a traditional newspaper at the New York Times. And I came up the ranks as a reporter trainee. I worked at Metro. I worked around the country. I was a foreign correspondent. I had to sort of earn my stripes, as many reporters would say, hitting the pavement, being out there in the field. And in the last 4 years of my time at the New York Times, I was involved in the transition of the paper into multimedia, into the website, making web video, documentaries, podcasting. And so I sort of vacillate between both worlds, but I'm sort of anchored in this tradition of standards and ethics. And so this new foray into a world where the public is more heavily involved in the journalistic and media process, sometimes I find troubling. And that's part of the direction I'd like to steer a bit of this conversation as we look to the future. How do we, in going forward, try to establish and infuse the same ethics and standards, and who will curate this new space in which the public is inundated with a variety of new information and media products which provide a whole new world of information, but at the same time present the opportunity for the public to be overwhelmed, and who provides them with a product that they can digest and provide meaning. So I'd like to start, first of all, with these maps that our panelists are going to give us in terms of how they see the future of public media shaping up. And so, Dennis, I'd like to begin with you, please.